Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding Unit 2 from the 7th class English content. Who was the first Indian scholar received the Nobel Prize? Answer C.V. Raman. When we celebrate National Science Day? Answer February 28th. In which year C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize? Answer 1930. In which did Susruta envelop the nose? Answer cotton. What is the synonym of often? Answer many times. Fill in the blank with suitable article. My father is dash school teacher. Answer A. Fill in the blank with suitable article. Manjula and Shruti play dash guitar well. Answer the. According to the lesson C.V. Raman, the pride of India, which is a correct statement? Answer Raman spent only 200 rupees to win the Nobel Prize. Fill in the blank with suitable article. Tejaswini lent me dash interesting book. Answer an. Fill in the blank with suitable article. Rambabu is dash English teacher in a high school. Answer an. The stringed musical instrument is dash. Answer violin. Fill in the blank with suitable article. Rekha bought dash long notebook. Answer A. Who is the writer of the poem It's Change? Answer Emma Gurry. C.V. Raman was born in which state? Answer Tamil Nadu. Find out the correct spelling word. Answer Caesarean, Caesarean. According to the Susruta, who could become a good physician? Answer theory and practice. His parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word keen. Answer eager. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word. Answer placed. Which is the correct statement? Answer a sneeze blows air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. The smallest bone in your body is in your ears. Babies are born with 300 bones and adults have 206. In which year did Raman become a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science? Answer 1907. Fill in the blank with suitable article. We dined yesterday at Dash Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Answer the. What is the full form of the MA? Answer Master of Arts. In which date did Raman pass away? Answer 21/11/1970. Which of the following is a non stringed instrument? Answer flute. Noun form of the word excellent is dash. Answer excellence. When C.V. Raman born? Answer 7th November 1888. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word in the above sentence. Answer primarily. Fill in the blank with suitable article. Ganesh always carries dash umbrella with him. Answer an. He has gone away from his house. Choose the meaning of the phrasal verb gone away. Answer: moved away from a place. Match the following. Answers: archaeology, the study of the cultures of the past; physiology, the study of the bodies of living things; psychology, the study of the mind; geology, the study of earth; zoology, the study of animals. Thank you for watching our videos. To get your notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.